Hey everybody and welcome back once again to Life Princess Size with me, Pallavi. Now, weddings and traditions go hand in hand. We've all heard of that old saying, something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Well, that's very typical of Western wedding traditions. But here in India as well, weddings are full of traditions, whether religious, cultural, or just symbolic. And I think with our generation, it's time for us to come up with traditions of our own. Things that matter to us, things that we believe in, and things that we want to make traditions for our future generations. So that's exactly what we're covering in today's video. Traditions that I think we should all start at our weddings. Now, the first tradition that I really think we should start is something special for our spouse. We're all so busy with our own little thing, ladke wale, ladki wale, us getting dressed, him getting his serabandi and barat entry and all of that jazz, that in this whole thing we forget what it's really all about. It's about each other. It's about our love for one another. And I think that we must mark this special day by doing something special for each other. It doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to be something sweet or special. So for example, at my friend's wedding, our photographer gave us this idea of making the groom write a letter to the bride before the wedding ceremony. So she got him to write that down and brought it over to the bride just a couple of minutes before her entry. And she read it out. And the photographer captured her expressions in beautiful photographs and videos. And it was just that. It was as simple as a love letter to the one you're going to marry. It could also be something embroidered in your outfit to mark the occasion. A lot of people get something embossed in their shoes or socks, or any little inside joke, some engraving under your watch, anything to mark that moment just between the two of you. So I think that is a great tradition to start to show your special love for your special one. Another tradition that I really think we should start is gifting something to our parents and our parents-in-law to be. Now, our parents have done everything for all of us all our lives. This moment marks a very special day in our lives when we move on and become independent adults. To mark this day, I really think we should do something memorable, something momentous for our parents as well. Once again, it doesn't have to be very expensive, it doesn't have to be very grand, especially with parents. All they want is something sweet, just a token of love and appreciation, and just to know how important this relationship is for the both of you. So whether it comes in the form of any small personalized garment or accessory that they can have with them on that special day, or just a collection of old photos of how you've grown up with them together, or anything that you think will matter to them after you have left their home, will really mark something special for your parents. And for your parents-in-law to be, it's a very big moment as well. You are joining somebody else's family, you are becoming family for life. And to mark this special occasion, it would be lovely to show them how thoughtful you are, how much you care about them and their child, and how much you want this relationship to work. So making the first step in that direction will take you a long, long way. Another tradition that I really think we should start, and this is something I've spoken about before, is an element of charity. No matter how big or how small your wedding is, you can always find it in your heart and your budget to do something for others, to do something to give back to society and those less fortunate than you. So these are three traditions that I really think we should start. And a fourth tradition that I would totally love to do is to include our pets at our wedding in some way or the other. But that's another video for another day. In fact, you can watch it here right now. Please put it down in the suggestions if you can think of any other traditions that you would like to start at your wedding, or something that you have already done that marks the moment as a special one. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to share the love.